But why so sad, Percy? You've won! The official opening of the great barrage at Bin el Ouidane was a most important event for Morocco in view of the power to be supplied from this hydroelectric scheme. The Minister for Tunisian and Moroccan Affairs, Monsieur Pierre Joly, accompanied by the Resident General and other personalities, performed the ceremony. Such a notable occasion was marked by the Moroccan people in typical Moroccan style. It's an old custom of the Berber tribes that on a day like this, milk and dates should be offered to distinguished visitors. This was duly carried out to the gratification of local onlookers. Meanwhile, a party of women from Morocco were on an escorted visit to Paris. They'd had the thrilling experience of flying there. Now they were taken to see the latest fashions created by Dior. Of course, what they made of these fashions is anybody's guess. Finally, refreshments, and who should be hostess but film star Michel Morgan? Well, they must certainly have had plenty to tell their friends about the gay city when they got home. Wearing ceremonial dress of